Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to make money from home in the USA, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 trending ways to earn without stepping outside your door. These methods are not only in demand but can also be scaled into full-time incomes if done right. So, let's get into it. First up, content creation. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels booming, short-form and long-form content is making people thousands of dollars monthly. Whether it's sharing knowledge, reviewing products, or entertaining your audience, monetization options like ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate marketing make this a lucrative option. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment, just your phone and a good idea. Next, we have remote freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of opportunities in graphic design, video editing, writing, and even virtual assistants. If you have a skill, there's someone willing to pay for it. The key here is building a strong profile, gathering positive reviews, and delivering high-quality work. Many freelancers start as side hustlers and end up making full-time incomes. Another way to earn is through print-on-demand and dropshipping. E-commerce has exploded, and platforms like Shopify, Redbubble, and Etsy allow you to sell custom products without handling inventory. You create a design, list it, and a third party takes care of the production and shipping. With AI tools making design easier than ever, even beginners can launch profitable stores. Online tutoring and course creation is another game changer. If you have expertise in a subject, whether it's math, music, or digital marketing, you can teach students worldwide through platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even Zoom. There's also demand for English tutoring on websites like VIPKid, where you can teach students abroad and earn a steady income. Lastly, AI-powered side hustles are taking over. People are using AI tools like ChatGPT to create content, automate social media management, and even generate income through AI-generated books and courses. Businesses are paying top dollar for AI-assisted work, making this one of the hottest trends right now. And that wraps up today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to earn online. Let me know in the comments which method you're trying or if you have any other ideas to share. See you in the next video.